Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to install a photo sensor in the beauty plate onto this full cutoff wall pack that is 60 watts, but this tutorial will also work on the 80 watt version. Now the easiest one to do is the beauty plate. I've already taken off the 3 screws that were here. You just need to replace them with the new screws that come with it. You'll notice that there's these little grooves where the screws are and not on the other side. That just indicates where the screw head should go. So where the indents are, you have to put the screw heads in. Then you just screw it on. I don't think that screw caught on. Give me 1 second. Alrighty. And there you go. That's that installed. And now to install the photo sensor, I'm first going to turn it around. I already unscrewed it on the back. I'm going to separate the base from the top. And normally there would be a screw here that looks just like this one, but I've already taken it off for convenience. I'm going to undo the screw that's already on the photocell, take off one of the gaskets, feed it through, and then put the gasket back on along with the screw. Tighten it as best as you can. Okay. Now with that installed, you're gonna have 3 wires. Just well, a lot of wires to meddle around with here. The easiest one to do is the neutrals. As you can see, there's already 2 neutrals, but I need to connect them together, so I'll need a 3rd neutral. I'm going to connect both of these here first, and then a 3rd wire. And there you go, that's the mains neutral ready. Oh, be sure to make a good connection there. Give it a good tug test. Alrighty. Now you're going to have 2 other wires here. This black wire is already going to be your input negative. It's going to be your switch hot, so it's already done and dealt with. This red wire though, you have to connect to the rest of the wires here. You'll notice that there's 2 black wires that are already connected to each other. One of the wires is from the battery and the other is from the driver. You're going to want to disconnect the one from the battery, and you're going to want to cap it off. We're not going to need that one. And then the other wire, the wire from the driver, you're going to connect to this red output from the photo sensor. Now that's all the wiring done. You're going to have 4 wires to hook up. 2 hots. The black one, the solid black one, is going to be your switch hot, and the yellow and black wire is going to be your mains hot, and then your ground, and of course your neutral. But before I begin connecting it all, I need to connect these 2. This is the battery connector. If these aren't connected, then the battery's not going to turn the light on when there's an emergency. So be sure that that's on. Now I'm going to hook it all up to this testing lead that I have here. I won't be using a wall switch, so I'm just going to hook up both of the hots to the same spot. Ground to ground, neutral to neutral, and hot to hot. And that's all the wiring aspects of it done. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm just going to turn it on. Ideally, you would let this charge for 24 hours before you test if the battery is working. But yeah, it's already turned off because of the light above me. So that's how you know the photo sensor is working. If I cover it, it'll turn on. If I uncover it and wait a couple seconds, it'll turn right back off. And there you have it.